Welcome to PASC26. This is the highlights from the mini symposium. I'm here with Jeff Engels and with Birte Einmann. Jeff from DKAZ, Germany, and you from University of Aachen. Birte from University of Aachen. You were organizing a mini symposium, Opening Development. So, of course, the title is a bit cryptic. I would like to ask you, can you tell us a little bit about this mini symposium and what were the needs that you wanted to address by organizing this mini symposium?
Sure. I mean, in climate and weather, codes used to be really closed and also developed by closed collaborations. And in recent years, there was a trend to open up more. ICANN got from like only publishing tarballs to open repository where you can look at the history, but eventually we want to open up a bit more. And this is a huge challenge because you go from like you have a community that you know pretty well, but which is still really large, to having a really wide audience worldwide, which you need to onboard, which you need to be able to access, and like even onboarding times for people working on ICANN at DKRZ or similar institutions takes very long. So we have a huge area where we really need to improve ICANN and the workflows around ICANN, the development workflows around ICANN. But it's not only ICANN. We also had a speaker on Anemoy, which is the ECMWF AI framework for weather forecasting. We had Birte talking about learning analytics. And we had a discussion with the audience who actually brought a lot more codes and their challenges.
Okay. So talking about the challenges, then Birte, what is one of the challenges, for example, that you presented or you were trying to address in your work?
So I come from a more educational perspective, and we see that it's very hard to onboard new developers on huge projects like ICANN or the others presented. Yeah. So we are interested in how to support that on the one hand with good onboarding practices and an exchange for that, but also with learning analytics. So analyzing the data we create when we do developing and to understand more about how to enhance the learning and the onboarding and these processes, especially in the beginning.
But did you have a good response from the audience participating to the mini symposium after giving your presentation? I mean, was there some discussion?
Yeah,
that were supporting the same difficulties that you were facing?
Yes, and they named even more, so
okay.
we can enhance our work. And I think it's very important to have a platform to exchange and to see what other projects do and how they are doing it. Yeah. To really understand how to collect the data, because from the analytical perspective, we can just get everything, but that's not what we want. We want to collect as minimal data as possible.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I can imagine. But this is the purpose also of the PASC conference, to put together different disciplines that they are facing very similar problems. Okay, so you have your discussion. You gain some momentum now, hopefully, at the PASC conference. What would you like to see happening in the coming months, maybe until next year PASC conference?
So actually, we really got a bit of momentum also during the final discussion, during like our fourth talk. And we want to get that going. We want to take all of the things that we learned from Birte's talk, from the Anemoy people, from the codes that participated in the discussion, and employ that in our workflows in the next year.
Okay, so maybe then next year you will submit a follow-up mini symposium with new ideas and new, maybe also some results or some advancement, so to speak. So I wish you good luck and see you perhaps in PASC27.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.